Okay, let's do a little bit more division so that we start to feel more comfortable with this. So the first one I'm going to do is 48 hundredths divided by 2. And let's start, I chose a number that's pretty simple so we can refresh our memories. And I'm writing it out. There's my first number, making it into a place value chart. So if we're dividing it into 2 groups, I'm going to need group 1, group 2. There we go. All right, take a second and I want you to try and solve. What would this look like? All right, pause because you're going to need more time. And let's check. So in the first column, I don't have anything, so there's nothing I need to split up. Oh, this is going to bug me. There we go. So I'm going to start with my 4, splitting among 2 groups. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let's split up our 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect again. They split nice and evenly. So I had nothing here. My decimal. Then everyone got 2/10, and everyone got 4/100. Let's try this as a long division problem. So set up your problem just as I did. And then I want you to pause the video and try solving. The hint, of course, is dad, mom, sister, brother, rover. Right, pause and see what you can do. Okay, let's check. So 2 goes into 0 times. So I'm going to look one more digit to the right, and I just saw the decimal, so I'm going to write it up here. Now I'm thinking, because it didn't go into 0, how many times does 2 go into 4? 2, 4 goes in 2 times. If I multiply 2 times 2 is 4. Let's subtract. And bring down. And repeat. So I'm going back up to divide. How many times can 2 go into 8? 2, 4, 6, 8 goes in 4 times. 4 times 2 was 8. So we have nothing left when we subtract. Bring down. Oh, there's nothing to bring down. So I know I'm done. Look at that. I got the exact same answer. All right, let's try this again with another number. So if you're doing this on your whiteboard, you can erase. This time, let's do 0.42 divided by 3. All right, once again, let's rewrite this number. I'm going to space it out a little bit and create our place value chart. This time, we're dividing it into 3 groups. So make sure you have 3 sections that you can place your dots into. All right, and pause the video so you can finish drawing your place value chart and solve. All right, have you finished solving? If not, pause the video. So once again, I have nothing in my ones column, so I'm done. Let's divvy out my 4. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. It's not fair though, because this one got an extra. So I'm going to take that back and I'm going to turn it into a 1 over here. So it's like I had a dime, took the dime away, and exchanged it for 10 pennies. I already had 2 pennies, so I have 12 pennies total now. Now let's divvy up our pennies. You get 1, you get 1, you get 1. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. It worked out evenly. So there's nothing in the ones place. There is 1 in the tens place. And 4 in the hundredths place. All right, let's check this with long division. So I'm rewriting. It was 0.42 divided by 3. And I want you to pause the video and try solving on your own. Don't forget dad, mom, sister, brother, and rover. Okay, are you finished solving? Let's check our work. 3 goes into 0 0 times. Don't forget that decimal. I'm going to keep going. 3 goes into 4. 3, 6. Oh, 6 is too much, so it'll just be 3. 1 time. And 1 times 3 was 3. When you subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. Sorry about that. Been sitting too long apparently. I just subtracted. So now B, bring down. So that 1 got turned into a 2, just like it did here. Repeat. I have 12. I'm divvying it between 3, so 3 goes into 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. That would be 4 times. And that was 4 times 3 is 12. So when I subtract, I have nothing. And there's no other columns, no other number to bring down. So there's my answer. We got the same thing. All right, I think, well, no, let's do one more. Because why not? We need extra practice with division. So erase your boards, or if you need a new page like I did. And let's do this last one. It's going to be 3.52 divided by 2. And I'll give you an option on this one, but here's the thing. I want you to do the type that you find most challenging. Don't go for the easy one. Challenge yourself to try and learn the other method. So you're either solving with long division right now, or you're using your place value chart. Pause the video and solve. Okay, I have to do both ways because I don't know which way you chose. So I'm going to start with my place value chart. No, I'm going to start with long division because I have a feeling that's what most people find challenging. If you solved with your place value chart, you're going to want to go ahead to the video when you start seeing me draw it out here so you can check your work. I'm writing dad, mom, sister, brother, rover to remind myself. And let's get started. 2 goes into 3. 2, 4, oh, too much. 2 goes in 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Let's subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down. Now I have 15. Repeat, so I'm going to divide again. 2 goes into 15. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Oh, 16 is too much. So it must be 7 times, which was 14, because 7 times 2 was 14. That leaves me with 1. Bring down the next number. Let's repeat again. Divide. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 6 times, and that was exactly 12. Which leaves me with nothing left over. And there's no other number to bring down, so I'm done. Last thing I'm going to check, though. I have 1 digit on top of each number. I can't forget my decimal. All right, if you solved with the long division way because you find that most challenging, you're done. If not, let's solve with the place value chart if that's what you're struggling with. So I'm drawing it out. And this one's kind of nice. I only have 2 spots that I have to divide it into. There we go. So I'm going to divvy out my 3. 1, 2, 3. I have to take this one away to make it even. And that becomes a 15. Let's divvy it out again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Not quite even. I have 8 and I have 7. So So I have to take 1 away. And again, that 1 gets placed over here. So now I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. 6 and 6. So now I'm looking at my answer. One of these groups has 1 and 7 and 6. And look at that. I got the same answer. Good job, everyone. All right, just the application problem left. Good work.